Let's see what we have here. What in the world is this? Sick ass fool. You think you're all bad now with your pinche little tornillos. I don't know. Am I supposed to take that as a joke or? Oh well. Oh man. What in the world? What's this? Oh, look at that. This bolt is nothing without the stickers, man. Right on. Thank you guys, Downstar Inc. Man, this is not bad at all. Man. You know, it's kind of funny. You know, it's like you take it as personal, that it's not a joke or anything. But once you see their product, man, it is a badass. Sick ass. Yeah. Wow. Not bad at all. Hey, thank you guys. This will be a good accent for the G's. Huh. Right on. Let's go find out how sick as full I'm gonna be once I put on this thing. Yep. So it'll be a good accent. I wish I would have gotten the like the burnt style or gold style or something, but I think this will do just fine. It'll go. It'll look good on black. So let's put this bad boy on. Oh, okay. Good. That's quite easy. And for this, it would be nice if they would only include how much torque you're supposed to put on this bolt, but since I have the maintenance manual with me, the last time it was like 37 pounds a foot, and the tools you needed is number 8 Allen socket, let's take this out. Yeah, it looks good. Not bad for $30. Should have taken pictures of it before and after. So here it is. 37 pounds a foot for maintenance manual, H22. Now we'll just go ahead and already got this one set up. So 37. Cool. Double check. Now we get to spin them. That is sick, man. Not bad at all. Does look good. Yeah, earlier when I was opening this, you know, sick as fool. You think you're all bad now? You know, I thought it was like, I thought I was just being insulted or something. But right after I opened the envelope and saw their product, not bad at all. I liked it. Yeah, I'm impressed. Yeah. All right. I know it's a short video, but thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys back. All right. Bye. Take care, guys.